Welcome back, everybody. Here is the back finished product, what it looks like after it's been wet sanded. The last video was me wet sanding the entire back. I got finished today. Here's the reveal. Really see how dirty it is. It's really dirty. The front corner now. Here's the rest. I can't wait to get this paint all done. We got our good old-fashioned overflow bottle. In case anybody's wondered, this is an oil pressure gauge external as well as in there. So if I'm under the hood, I can tell, make sure both gauges are identical. If they're not, we have a problem in the line or something. If they are, then obviously it's giving correct reading. All right, let's get this rolling.
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but hitting bottom is the only way to change. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling. I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing. You've got nothing, I'll keep hustling. I've seen a lot of people who don't know what work is. I've seen a lot of people who don't know what thirst is. I've had a taste of evil and tried to cure the sickness, but I just keep my head down and focus on the facts. I'm setting down gravel while you just follow the path. I'll lead them into battle while you're just too scared to act. I'll leave the knife right in my back. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling. I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing. You've got nothing, I'll keep hustling.
the Simpson H belts in the race car. It's got the full harness, comes up over your lap, in between your legs, and over both shoulders. Good H system. This car is a nitrous car. Right now it's got a 375 shot at the button on it. It's a 468 race engine. Oldsmobile powered, big block. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Alrighty everybody, that'll do it on this one. You can see I'm all full of paint. I'll play with this car a little bit. Got a few things I want to do, a few things I want to touch up. This is the race car. I appreciate you guys stopping by. As always, I thank you, I appreciate you. Comment, like, subscribe. You see what we do on this channel. We build them. And we race them, play with them, we're street guys. We don't fuck around.